Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your PayPal to your bank account. Alright, let's get started. So here first go to the PayPal website. So I'm just gonna go to the PayPal website from my Google Chrome. Alright, so once you go to the PayPal website, you will see this sort of interface over here. So next what you have to do is log into your PayPal account using your email and password. So here let's log into our PayPal account, and over here you can see I am logged in. So next what you have to do is you scroll down and you'll be able to see this link a card option. So here you have to link your credit or debit card. So once you link the card of the bank, you'll be able to withdraw the amount from PayPal to your bank account. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.